Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in a different Dollar Tree. I am like 30 minutes away from home, and I'm just doing some stuff today, but I stopped in this area, and this is the first time I've ever been into this store. I didn't even know it was up here. So I do see that they do have these, more of these up here, some donuts, the balloon animals. They have more of their Eiffel towers, excuse me. They have white, the silver, and the pink, and they do have more of the trinket dishes. And then down here they have these as well. Okay, I don't even know what owls or what in this store. Like I said, this is the very first time I've ever been in here, so I guess I'm gonna go down here to the end and see what's down here. So this is their party stuff. Okay, cards. This is the toy section. Nothing new jumping out at me. Okay, this store is like really quiet. There's like probably nobody here because it's in the middle of nowhere. Like I literally had to come up a mountain just to get here. Okay, let's see. They got a bunch of this washi out. Let's see what they got in their book section. Oh, here's their planner stickers. My Search for the Real Pope Francis, Tommy Mottola. That. Take your office space from drab to fab. That's kind of cool. Little decor tips. The wedding, Disney fairy tale wedding. And they have a lot of books, but I think we've seen most of these. Okay, look at this, you guys. Look at this location. Look, every beauty. Look at those unicorn. It says unicorn-esque classic collection of some makeup brushes, and they have tons of them, and this is the only set that I see. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. Lord knows I don't need any, but I'm gonna get a set. This is a contour brush, an eyeshadow brush, and a powder foundation brush by the Every Holder brand. So that's really, really cool. And besides the makeup brushes, I will say they do have a large selection of makeup, but that was the only thing new that I see. And they have a bunch down there, as well as some over here hanging up. Okay, I still see this black sponges, the cognac sponge, the facial wipes, the silicone makeup applicators. There's that feminine wash right there. I've been looking for these too. The lemon spray. I like these, so I'm gonna get one of these. Now I'm in the baby section. What are those? Flexi hold shoelaces. Oh God, I got these brushes in my hand, so I can't grab that. But it says shoelaces fit 5 to 6 eye holes. And I see black and gray right there. That's different. Now I'm over in the food section. They still have those Duncan Hines individual pouches. Sorry if I'm moving a little fast through this store. I didn't realize it was going to be this far, and I want to make sure I got enough time to get home because I got to get Pooh Bear from school. So Let's go around here. I know this video is different than how I normally film. Let's see what's over here. Oh my glam. Over here. Okay, they got all their little fun stuff on these little shelves. I see a little bit of everything. The flags, the little donut things. Let's see, bath bombs. They got the pineapple of my eye stationery. There's those little sayings right there. You got the tape dispensers, some fans down there. There's the LED string lights. Those pouches. They still got some of those keychains right there. And let me walk around and see what's on the other side. Okay, on this side they got the mug sleeves, the drainer covers right there, those little donut pouches. And more of the stationery stuff. What is this? What, portable wine glass. Oh, okay, I remember seeing these. You take the top and the bottom and it screws together to make a cup like that. So you can take your own wine glass with you wherever you want to go. The Mr. glasses. They usually have the Ms. too, but I don't see any. Oh, there's some more of the Zach cups. And this store does have a refrigerator section. Most of the stores I go to have refrigerators. So let's see. Nothing new. They have the rugs right there. There's the cute little flower sack towels. And I think that's it, you guys. So I am going to get these brushes and I am going to get my butt back down out of this mountain and back home, because I am so far from home and I don't like to rush, and I want to make sure I can get my baby on time. So thank you all for coming with me. I know this video was a little different than how I normally film, but thank you all for coming anyway, or watching anyway, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Okay, bye. Oh my goodness, you guys, look, my buddy just went in the back and she found this. I was already checking out. Look at this. It's a 3-section caddy. The bottles are not included. Come in different colors. This one is red. Ooh, I want the turquoise one. Okay, so you guys, this is cool.